My name is Wendy. I own an interior design company called Wendy House Interiors based in the Midlands. Problems that I was experiencing before I came to this masterclass was that although I have many services and things that I can offer within my business, I just felt as if it wasn't widely spread enough, that nobody really knew who I was and what I did. I've been in business for 15 years. I've spent thousands, tens of thousands of pounds over the years on advertising and not made any money from it at all. I had a campaign running for a few years with Google AdWords, but because I didn't really know what I was doing, I was spending about £200+ a month and didn't really get anything from it. I contacted a company that were going to charge me a minimum of £1,200 a year to do what I've learnt to do myself here today.
Excellent. That's a really good answer. So the next question is the masterclass going to change your business?
The masterclass is definitely going to change my business. It's going to change me, and I've heard the words before. If you want to grow a business, you need to grow the business owner, and then the business will grow alongside that. I have learnt so much over the last 2.5 days that I will actually implement now, because I'm not quite so frightened of it. It's not quite as huge a minefield. The best thing that I've learnt about this masterclass is that I've learnt to think larger. The collective consciousness within the group of people, they're all business owners of different sizes that obviously just want to make their business, more successful. And being here with these people, as well as what I've learned about the digital marketing, I've also picked up lots of motivation, and I've had lots of ideas that have come to me for other things that I can do, which means that my business doesn't need to be just local anymore. To anybody of you out there that are considering taking this masterclass, I would definitely 100% recommend it. Like I said, I've spent 15 years in business and learnt the hard way. I've spent a lot of time and a lot of money in not getting it right. So if you have any doubt, then I just think that you should, take it up now, sooner rather than later, and don't waste the time and the money that I did.